Hey guys, I just want to talk to you a little bit about triangles in this video. So I'm going to go through a couple of the questions from your quiz. So this is one of them here. It says the drawing below shows that two triangles are similar. Similar means same shape but different sizes. Okay, so they're not exactly equal. That would be congruent. And you're supposed to write the corresponding sides as equal ratios. Okay, so I have that over here. And what that means is that so like this side here, so angle L on this triangle is the same as angle R, angle B with the two loops, it's the same as angle M, okay, and then with the 3 is the same as angle N. So there's two different ways that you can do this that I think will make it a little easier. So one way is just to redraw the triangle so it matches the same direction. Okay, so I'm going to draw a really bad triangle here because I can't draw on this program. But so we'll draw it like that, and then you just have to make sure you match it. So this would be R here. Okay, so that's my R. And then with the two loops, so this would be M with my two loops here. And then this would be N with the 3. And then it's easier to see which sides are congruent. So you would have RM, whoa, pardon my bad writing, over LB, okay, and you're just going to do it in the same order. And that's going to equal, so then you'd have MN, try to do a better M this time, N over, matching on this triangle, BJ, and then that would also equal the last side, NR, and that is over the matching one on this triangle, which is JL. Okay, so when they talk about corresponding sides, that's like the matching sides on the triangles. Okay, so that's how that one would work. So then the next one I wanted to show you, oh, this would be a good one. Okay, so let me copy this image over to here. And paste. Okay, so for this, what you have to do, it says that the flashlight is projecting a triangle onto a wall, and you have to find the missing side. So that missing side is N right there. Okay, so again, you're just going to find the matching sides and you set it up as a proportion, and then this time we're going to solve that proportion. Okay, so you have your loops, so these two bottom sides are both the same, and this one is actually even set up a little easier because they're not rotated. Okay, and then the top one has the two loops, so that's the same. So 15 on this triangle would be corresponding to 25 on that one, and 15 here would be 25 on that one. So 21 is going to correspond to that missing one, which is N. Okay, so again, we're just going to set them up as a proportion. So we're going to go 15 over 25. So we'll have 15 over 25. And that's going to equal our corresponding ones here. And you just have to make sure you keep the same triangle top to bottom. So since 15 is from the smaller triangle, you have to do 21 from the smaller triangle in the same spot. Okay, so it has to be on top. So then 21 and is over N. Okay, and then we just have to solve this proportion. So to solve the proportion, if you remember, it's been a while since we've done this, but you just have to, we're going to cross multiply. Okay, so 15 times N is 15N, and that's going to equal 25 times 21, which you can't do that in your head. I can maybe figure it out eventually, but I don't want to embarrass myself on this video, so I'm going to use a calculator. So it'd be 25 times 21, so that's 525. So So you have 525. And then you just have to finish solving. We're multiplying here, so you have to do the opposite of multiplying, which is to divide. So we just have to divide by 15 on both sides. Okay, so that cancels that out. So you have your n equals, I'm going to go 525 divided by 15. So on my calculator, divided by 15, which equals 35. Okay, so that would be your missing side on this other triangle. So that seems to be the two that are people have had the most trouble with that have turned in this quiz so far. If you do have any other questions, please email me, let me know. And if you email me and let me know you watched this video and one sentence about what you learned, you can earn some bonus points.